Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Owner's Choice Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to your Google Chrome or your Google search bar and then search for Owner's Choice Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which opens and it will lead you to the official page of Owner's Choice Funding. Now, under the Manage My Loan, scroll down and click Login, which you can see right beside simply on the middle of the screen. Click on this link and it will lead you to the login portal of Owner's Choice Funding Mortgage. Go ahead and write down your username, write down your password and click Login. This way, you can successfully log in to your Owner's Choice Mortgage account. If you don't have an account, click Register and create an account for yourself. If you have problems regarding username and password error, click on these two links and then you can change your username or your password quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.